You want to see how I go from this to this? Here's one black-owned brand you need to try in 2022.
You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't.
Alright, hey y'all, it's 𝐅𝐸 back at it again with another video. If it's your first time seeing any of my videos, stop, take a second, go down below, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. But if you've been here before, hey y'all, welcome back. My name is 𝐅𝐸. I am a lifestyle, natural hair, and a beauty influencer, and today I am trying out this black owned brand by the name of Curldaze for the first time. First of all, why y'all ain't tell me? So let's hop right on into it. So I decided to go through with two of their products. I used one of their cream stylers on one side of my hair and the gel on the other side. So the creamy curl styler with cocoa oil is $16.99 for 12 ounces. I leave all the ingredients for the first 5 ingredients on the screen. And I'm starting off on this old flexi rod set. I really wasn't in the mood to go and rewash my hair, but my hair was feeling pretty dry, so I decided to maybe like refresh it and to just do a new style with these Curldaze products. Y'all, spoiler alert, these Curldaze products are so amazing. Imagine if I would have done this on clean hair. So I went in with the cream styler, and the moisture that it gave me already was crazy. The product kind of smells like buttery popcorn, and it does linger, but it's not like a stank smell. Like, it don't smell like a movie theater, you know what I'm saying? But it is a very light fragrance. So I just went in, and it was very easy to detangle my hair because there is tons of slip in this product. It's not super thick. It's kind of like a runny type of cream. It's not a super thick cream, which I do appreciate because that means it won't sit on top of my low porosity strands, and we love to see it, y'all. So I just went in and I twisted my hair. I did do majority of 3-strand twists, but if you know about twist outs, they take too long. So after a while, I just got kind of lazy and just did 2-strand twists. But majority of them were 3-strand twists. And this was just like a rough twist out. So y'all, imagine if I would have went in and went hard. Y'all saw the results at the beginning. So listen, these products ain't nothing to be played with, okay? So yeah, I just went in and I just twisted the whole left side of my hair with just the cream alone, just cream and water, nothing else. And I went and I compared it to the right side of my head, which I only used the gel. Alright, so now for this gel, I'm gonna be honest with you, I never had like a real bond with Eco Styler, so I don't really care. But let me tell you something right now, this right here might be the replacement to Eco Styler, because Eco Styler ain't seeing this gel. It's like a jelly type of consistency. It's not sticky. It has the same smell as the cream, but it spreads so evenly, so well throughout the hair. You only need a little bit of it. It's just an amazing gel. So I went in on the right side of my head, like I said before, and I used just the gel this time. No cream, no nothing, just the gel and water. And y'all see there is a humectant. I think it's glycerin. It was just on the screen, and that was enough moisture for me. But you see, this is my hair before I put the gel in it. Like I said, it was pretty dry after that flexi rod set. It could have been a couple days. So then I went in with the gel, and y'all gonna see the way that this just defines my hair. Remember, this is dirty hair. So imagine if I would have started on freshly deep conditioned and washed hair. Y'all, you guys can tell me anything, but let me tell y'all right now, if y'all don't cop anything else, head on over to the Curldaze website and go get this gel. It's crazy how this gel defines my hair, how it just makes my hair feel not dry, anything like that. It's just an amazing product, and I'm about to get me some more as soon as I finish with this video, okay? So I just went in, I just twisted out the right side of my hair, and I'm gonna do that, and I'll be back when I am done.
We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's cold. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. I'm gone. Can't nobody love you like I do, and can't nobody hate you like me.
Alright y'all, so this is my hair after I'm finished, and just spoiler alert, the gel side dried a lot quicker than the cream side, with and without sitting under a dryer. I sat under a dryer. This was the next day, and as you can see, they've shrunken up quite a bit because, you know, shrinkage is wild and it's wild disrespectful. So we're gonna start with the cream side. I did put some oil on my hand, which I didn't really need because it wasn't hard or crunchy or anything. It was just so soft. My hair felt so soft, like it's actually ridiculous. And y'all see the definition. I don't even have to speak, just look at it. Just look at it. I need a little bit of a dusting on my ends, but just look at it. Listen. So I went in and I just took the twist down. I didn't separate them. So this is what they look like, just taken down, not separated. Look at the definition. Yo, it's crazy. As you can see where the looser curls are. And you can see a little bit of a definition is a little bit different in the front of my head. My hair's a little bit looser there, but still, definition is crazy. So let's get on over to the right side of my head where I had the gel. The gel side did feel a little bit crunchy, but nothing crazy. No flakes, no crazy cast that you had to break up with the oil. Just a little bit of oil on my hands, and it definitely helped. Look at the definition. Both sides, to me, look completely identical. And I'm gonna just tell you right now, if you only want to get one product, or if you only budget for one product, that's fine. Get the gel. It's cheaper too. It's $12.99 as opposed to $16.99. But they both produce the same exact results, which I did notice. And it comes down to moisture, long lasting. Now the long lasting for the curls, the cream side, it maybe lasted like a day or two less than the gel side. So for me, I think it's just better just to get the gel. But I just went through and I separated my hair just by pulling them apart as best as possible to limit the amount of frizz. And this is what the cream side looked like. And you can see the definition looks like I used gel, and I didn't. It's just cream. And it's bouncy. It has a lot of movement. All of my hair did. Like I said, the gel side didn't really have like a crazy cast. The definition on the gel side is a little bit more, like it's given a little bit more. It's understanding the assignment a little bit more. But like I said, of the two, get the gel, y'all. So I'm just going through it. I'm going to separate. Then I'm also going to stretch my hair, and I'll be back after I do that.
Always turning nothing into something I do when it's always you. But even when I leave, I fall right back into you. Then winter comes right back around. We're always so up and down, down. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing.
So yeah, y'all, these are my final results after I stretched my hair. This is the gel side. As y'all can see, y'all gonna see a lot of the gel side because that's my favorite side. Both sides were bomb, but the gel side just gave a little bit more. So yeah, the gel versus the cream. Which one would you buy? Comment down below, let me know. But I thank you guys so much for watching. Happy New Year! And I will see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. It's up from there.